Hello everyone. In this video, we'll take a look at how to navigate Slack. As soon as you enter the DME Interns Slack channel, it can look intimidating at first, but navigating Slack is really easy. On the left, you'll see a list of channels labeled with the hashtag symbol. You can easily navigate the Slack channel using this list by clicking on each of them. There are a few channels that are essential to your progress as a DME volunteer or intern. Here are a few of them. The hashtag important channel, which is the most important channel in our Slack, is where you'll primarily receive news that directly impacts your time as an intern or volunteer. You'll receive updates of weekly report reminders, survey requests, and other important news of projects from DME Dom or any of the officers. It is very important that you do not post non-important messages or questions in this channel. You can, however, choose to react the message by clicking on the react button or reply the message with the button that says reply in thread. The hashtag general channel is a place where you can communicate to your respective peers in the workspace. You can still expect some announcements in this channel, but this isn't as restrictive as the hashtag important channel. Do abide to a professional outlook when you communicate to your peers. The hashtag onboarding questions channel is where you can freely ask any question related to your time in here as a volunteer or an intern. The hashtag bootcamp feedback channel is a place where you can give feedback on the bootcamp course that you have taken prior to enrolling in the Slack channel. The hashtag federal employment channel is where you can receive tips on your resume, connect with your peers through LinkedIn, or be updated on potential job positions in the workforce. On Mondays, we have Making Connections Monday, where you can share your LinkedIn page. On Fridays, we have Career Development Fridays, where you can share your resume for feedback or present expert advice on how to improve another person's resume. That's about all the Slack channels that are essential to your time here. Be sure to explore all the other channels as well and get to know your peers. You'll also be presented with your respective department's Slack channel as well, where there may be the hashtag writing, hashtag web development, hashtag graphic design channels, or etc. If you don't see your respective department's channel, you can go over here to the plus sign, click on browse all channels, and see the list of all the joinable channels that exist in the DME Interns Slack page. On the bottom of the channels list, you can find the direct messages section where you can directly message to another individual in Slack. This may look empty at first, but you can look up someone's name such as DME Dom and send them a message directly. That's about all there is to essentially learn how to navigate the DME Interns Slack page. As a reminder, I'd like to present the do's and don'ts when spending your time in here. Do check Slack on a daily basis, check the hashtag important channel a lot, participate as much as you can, get to know your peers, and be professional. Do not send unimportant messages in an important channel. Do not ignore important messages. Do not bother your peers by spamming or pinging the channels. And do not be unprofessional. With that said, I highly recommend downloading the Slack app on your smartphones. That will provide the easiest access to the Slack channel when you're on the move. If you have any questions or concerns, do leave them in the comments section. And if you haven't already, do like this video and subscribe to the DME Interns YouTube channel for more updates with regards to the DME Interns.